Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today we're diving into an exciting topic that could change your financial future. Imagine making $10,000 per month with zero upfront costs, no technical skills, and no prior experience. Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick around because I'm going to show you how it's possible. First off, let's talk about why this method is considered fail-proof. The key lies in leveraging existing resources and platforms that do most of the heavy lifting for you. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes, it's about smart, strategic moves that anyone can make. So what's the secret sauce? It's called drop servicing. Essentially, you act as a middleman between clients and service providers. Here's how it works. 1. Identify a niche. Find a service that's in high demand, like graphic design, content writing, or digital marketing. 2. Set up your platform. Use free tools like social media, a simple website, or freelance platforms to showcase your services. 3. Outsource the work. Once you get a client, outsource the task to a freelancer who can do it for less than what you're charging the client. 4. Profit. The difference between what you charge the client and what you pay the freelancer is your profit. Let's look at some real-life examples. Many people have successfully used this method to generate significant income. For instance, John Doe started his drop servicing business with no prior experience and now makes over $10,000 a month. Ready to get started? Here's a quick recap. Choose a niche. Set up your platform. Find reliable freelancers. Start marketing your services. Scale up as you gain more clients. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to your channel name for more tips and tricks on making money online. Also, leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a topic you'd like us to cover next. And remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Take that step today.